Part 5. Methodology for executing psychological typical actions online. The methodology for executing psychological typical actions online involves several key steps, including client assessment, service delivery, and evaluation. These steps are critical for ensuring that services are effective, client-centered, and grounded in research-based knowledge. Client assessment is the first step in executing psychological typical actions online. This process involves gathering information about the client, including their background history and current mental health status. The goal of client assessment is to gain a comprehensive understanding of the client and to identify any issues or concerns that may be affecting their mental health. Service delivery is the second step in executing psychological typical actions online. This involves the delivery of therapy and support services to clients, and it typically involves the use of online communication tools such as video conferencing and instant messaging. Service delivery may also involve the use of other tools such as online surveys and questionnaires to gather information and track progress. Evaluation. Evaluation is the final step in executing psychological typical actions online. This process involves monitoring and measuring the effectiveness of services and is critical for ensuring that services are meeting the needs of clients and providing the desired outcomes. Evaluation may involve the use of outcome measures such as self-report measures and behavioral observations, as well as client feedback. Best practices for executing psychological typical actions online. Evidence-based practices. Service providers should use evidence-based practices, which are practices that have been proven to be effective through research. This helps to ensure that services are grounded in research-based knowledge and are providing the desired outcomes for clients. Client-centered approach. Service providers should take a client-centered approach which involves putting the needs and goals of clients first. This involves tailoring services to meet the unique needs of each client, and it helps to ensure that services are effective and provide the desired outcomes. Collaboration. Service providers should collaborate with other service providers, including mental health professionals, technology experts, and researchers, in order to provide effective services. Collaboration helps to ensure that services are comprehensive and are meeting the needs of clients. Continuous improvement. Service providers should continuously evaluate and improve services in order to ensure that they are effective and providing the desired outcomes. This may involve gathering feedback from clients, monitoring outcomes, and making changes as needed. In conclusion, the methodology for executing psychological typical actions online involves several key steps, including client assessment, service delivery, and evaluation. Service providers should use evidence-based practices, take a client-centered approach, collaborate with other service providers, and continuously evaluate and improve services. These best practices help to ensure that services are effective, client-centered, and grounded in research-based knowledge. Part 6. Challenges and strategies for overcoming them while executing psychological typical actions online can be a valuable and effective approach for providing mental health services, and it also presents several challenges. Some of the most common challenges include technical challenges. They can be a major barrier to providing effective services online. These challenges may include issues with technology, such as poor internet connection, software malfunctions, and equipment failures. Lack of professional interaction. Online therapy may lack the personal interaction that is often seen in the face-to-face therapy, and this can make it more difficult for clients to build trust with their therapist and can impact the effectiveness of services. Concerns about privacy and security. Clients may have concerns about the privacy and security of their personal information when accessing mental health services online. This can impact the willingness of clients to participate in services and can impact the overall effectiveness of services. Stigma. Mental health stigma can also be a challenge when providing services online. Clients may be hesitant to access services due to the stigma associated with mental health issues, and this can impact the effectiveness of services. To overcome these challenges, service providers can implement several strategies, including providing technology. Service providers can work to improve technology in order to minimize technical challenges and improve the quality of services. This may involve investing in better equipment, improving internet connectivity, and ensuring the technology is user-friendly and reliable. Enhancing personal interaction. Service providers can work to enhance personal interaction in online therapy by using video conferencing, instant messaging, and other tools. This can help to build trust and establish a more personal connection with clients. Addressing privacy and security concerns. Service providers can work to address privacy and security concerns by implementing security measures such as encryption and by educating clients about the steps that are being taken to protect their personal information. Addressing stigma. Service providers can work to address mental health stigma by educating clients about the benefits of therapy, by normalizing mental health issues, and by creating a supportive and inclusive environment for clients. In conclusion, executing psychological typical actions online presents several challenges, including technical challenges, lack of personal interaction, concerns about privacy and security, and mental health stigma. Service providers can overcome these challenges by improving technology, enhancing personal interaction, addressing privacy and security concerns, and addressing mental health stigma. These strategies help to ensure that services are effective, client centered, and accessible to all.